Hi everybody, it's Dot. Here is some help with using flipgrid. I'm in the syllabus. I'm scrolling. Here's week 2. Here's some information about the flipgrid assignment. Down here, if you need some help getting registered or getting started, you can click on this. I'll show you where that goes. So this tells you how to access a grid, how to record a video, and there should be prompts that are pretty straightforward about how to register. This links you directly to the grid where you'll be posting a video about Bobbitt and his compatriots. So for me, I'm going to log in with Google. I think that's probably what you'll do too. And I'm going to choose my account to continue. Click. I'm logged in successfully. Here's our week. If I wanted to go back to all the flipgrids for this course, I could. But right now, all I need to do is click this plus, and then you'll see my face on the screen. Hello. It might make you offer permission to use the microphone and the camera. Do that. And then you tap RP to record or pause. That may end my video because I'm recording as I'm recording. So let's see if this works. 3, 2, 1. Hi, I'm recording a flipgrid as an example to help you. I hope it helps. Bye. And I hit pause. Here I am again. I took a pause and now I'm back. So I can trash and redo. I can put a sticky. If I click next, I can review, I can trim, I can add a title. You don't have to go bananas with this. It's just a way for us to have a conversation. A little logo that's going to go with my video, so you can do a goofy face. And then you can even put little images on there if you want to. You know, have fun with it. Don't spend a lot of time unless you really want to. And then it uploads my video and I'm complete. And look, there it is. So if I click here, I wonder what will happen. It's going to play. I don't think it's going to play my voice right now because I'm recording this screencast. It's very meta. Anyway, it's pretty straightforward. And then when you watch someone else's video, then I can respond right here and record my reply. Hello, etc. I hope that helps. Have fun with Flipgrid. Yay!